Lauren and I just returned from our Walt Disney World trip where I ended up panic buying 3 travel items from Amazon. I'm going to break down those items, show you them, and let you know if I think they're worth the purchase. For those of you who do not know, I am Ashley. I am one half of Once Upon a Wardrobe, and we are an outfit planning service for Disney and Universal Vacations. We are not affiliated with Disney or Universal. We are a separate small business. But Lauren and I live in the Midwest, so when we go to Disney with just the 2 of us or with our families, we fly. So we are always looking for ways to make our travel easier. Or I am, because I am pretty unorganized when I am traveling. What's the solution to that? Buy things that help make that process easier. There are 3 products we're going to talk about. We're going to talk about a shoe organizer, a makeup organizer, and a makeup brush organizer. So essentially, I was using this Vera Bradley Harry Potter trifold that one of my friends got me, and I love it so much. This is what I was using to put all of my makeup and toiletries in. So this, whenever I was traveling, I didn't like how I was having to lay out everything. I like to put my makeup on sitting in bed by the window. So I was looking for a makeup organizer that would stand up. I realized that I needed something that was going to stand out when we went on our Disney cruise because I wanted to sit near the window and sit in the chair and put it on. After I got back, I had added this bag that I'm going to show you here to our Amazon storefront because I was researching makeup travel bags that would stand up. And so I bought it before this trip because I was like, well, I'm going to recommend it. I need to probably try it out. So I did, and I love it. I'm going to show you here the TikTok video that I made of me packing it. I really didn't think that I was going to fit a whole lot in it. It's kind of a mess right now. But it's got little mesh pockets for you to put your stuff in, and then, which none of it is right now, but then it also has little straps. I ended up fitting not only my makeup, and I know I don't have a ton of makeup, but I have enough. I ended up fitting all of my makeup, all of my face stuff, my toner, my moisturizer, my cleanser, the cotton balls I use for my cleanser. All of that ended up fitting in this bag. And my my really big eyeshadow palette from ColourPop, the Muppets one. Then when I was there, it sat very neatly on my bed, just like this. And then whenever you're done with it for the day, you just fold it up, and I would just sit it on the counter. I loved this, and it's got that really wipeable material, so if anything spills, it's not gonna ruin anything. You're just gonna wipe it off. I love this bag. It is $14. The brand is EUOW, I believe, but there's a couple of different variations. Looks like you can get a 2-pack. I don't know if they're the same size. This is a size large, but oh my goodness, 10 out of 10. Highly recommend. Just ended up loving this. I did not put my brushes in there. That was the only thing I didn't put because I ended up finding this when I was researching travel makeup bags. This right here holds all of my brushes. So again, I don't have a ton. I mean, I guess I do. I filled every single one. I don't even know if I really use every single one of these brushes, but I had room. So I was one of those people that I had room, so I put it in there. So here it is. Looks like this. And then I wish I would have packed one more eyeshadow palette in here, and I didn't. Essentially, fits all of your brushes, and this is my blush palette here. So much room, you can fit one more, and then it closes. Well, it also does this. So it folds down, so when I was using it, it sat really nicely. It was really accessible when I was sitting on the bed putting on the makeup. And then whenever you need to pack it up, folds down, and it's perfect. Again, 10 out of 10. And then it's kind of hard to see here, but this actually has a plastic coating here. It's not just mesh. It is breathable and you can see it, but then it has the plastic here, so that way the blush does not get on anything else within your bag when you are traveling. By the way, this comes in different colors. I only did the pink, not the color I would have chosen. I wanted black, but I waited too long to buy these. I think I purchased this 2 days before we left. Last, this one I have some mixed feelings about. Okay, so this one I bought because it was cute. This is my shoe case. First of all, I have big feet. I have size 10 feet. That could be part of my problem, but I loved the pattern with this. Like, pink isn't even my favorite color. It's probably my least favorite color, but I really liked it with this leopard pattern. I also don't like packing my shoes with my clothes and the rest of the stuff. Even though I put it in a separate part in my luggage, I still don't like my shoes being on my items. I really was looking for a shoe case. It fit 2 pair of tennis shoes. So we've got in this part, so you've got this, it's the top. So it fit that, and it fit my shoes. They're not super tall or anything. Pretty standard size tennis shoes. So that's the top part. And then the bottom part here fits another pair. So that's the inside here. It almost didn't really fit these with this and the top. Now it has another part here that you could easily fit your flip-flops or whatever else. Like if you want to bring pool shoes, this would be a great place, but they just couldn't be too thick. Oh, and then it has, so if you have a carry-on, it's got a neat little thing here that you could just put on, you know, put through the top of the handle of your luggage. And then it does have another compartment here that you could put extra shoelaces or whatever the heck you wanted to put in there. I'm not complaining about it. I will continue to use this, but it was $20. So it was the most expensive out of the 3 items that I purchased. After I started doing some research when I got back, there was another shoe caddy system that is much cheaper and it comes with a lot more things, and that I believe is worth more money. Now, I don't know the size of that shoe caddy. I'm going to go ahead and link it and put it on there for you in case you want to try it out and let me know if it fits as much. So maybe this was $20 because it fits more than what, like, the package deal that you see, but it has the same pattern. So if you like the pattern, that's a plus. And the other package comes with laundry bags, which I do love, even though I use the Ziploc system and packing cubes and all that jazz to keep it organized after I'm done with it for the day. I still think it's a great idea. So I don't know. I do love the pattern. I do love that it was able to fit at least 2 of my shoes, and probably flip-flops if I would have brought them, but I didn't because it was January in Disney and it was only supposed to be like a high of 65. So I was like, no way are we going to the pool. That is how I feel about that. I do love these two. These 2 purchases I would highly recommend, and I have them in our storefront. They were in our cruise essentials, but now I've moved them to travel items. I also did add this, but I added the package too. So like I added the one that I would be tempted to buy to see if it was better quality or just kind of held more. I shouldn't say better quality. Again, it's not like this didn't do the job. It did. But when I saw that other one where you got like 5 pieces for the same amount of money, I was like, did I get one pulled over on me? I don't know. So if you end up buying that package, let me know. I hope you enjoyed watching this, and I hope that if you purchase any of these, you let me know what you think. And if you don't like it and why it didn't work out for you, I always like hearing why something didn't work out for somebody else. So let me know about that. That's it for now. Follow along if you want to see anything else Disney travel related or Disney style related. We have it all on this channel, and we are continuing to grow and add more videos. We thank you so much for following along. And remember, theme park fashion does not have to be complicated. It just has to make you smile. Bye!